Now let's create Google Kubernetes engine via Terraform. Step 1. Run gcloud auth login command. You'll be provided with a URL. Click the URL, enter your account, provide the password and hit next. Hit continue, hit allow, and now you are authenticated with the gcloud CLI. Next, run the gcloud command gcloud auth application default login and perform the same steps. Step 2. Set your quota project and then set the project where you will be creating your Kubernetes cluster. Step 3. Create a service account. In this case, ctech-gke is created as an example. Next, grant the newly created service account Kubernetes engine default node service account IAM role. Also, grant the user who will be creating the Kubernetes engine admin IAM role. Next, enable container.googleapis.com API via console or command line. Select the navigation menu and then APIs and services. Click Enable APIs and Services. Type container.googleapis.com in the API search library. Select Kubernetes Engine API. Hit the Enable button or run the following gcloud command to enable the API. Step 4. Unzip terraform gke.zip file and change the directory to terraform-gke. Edit the terraform.tf vars file. Modify the variable project ID to match your project ID. And also modify the value of the service account to match the service account that you have created. Next, perform Terraform init, and once successfully initialized, perform Terraform plan. Make sure that your plan looks accurate, and then run Terraform apply. When asked to enter a value, enter yes. Now verify via console the newly created Kubernetes cluster. Verify if your node pools are created correctly. In order to destroy a cluster, run the following command, terraform destroy. That's it. The cluster is now ready for use.